Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB LED Works, and today we're going to be doing some step flashing to a glass roof, glass linkway. Let's have a look to see what we've got to do. So as you can see, they've put their framework in on both sides. So the plan is to put the step flashing in, do a 150mm upstand, 80mm waterline, mark every one of these traces, and for now we're just going to leave the lead sailing out like that, because once this lead's in, all this framework's got to be removed so they can get the glass in. So just sort of like starting to knock up some lead now. So I've cut a 1.5 metre length, I've marked my 150mm there, and I've marked my 80mm waterline. Okay, so here's one side already installed, so already up one side. Basically what we did is we put the lead onto here. I've got a straight edge and I marked the top of that brick joint there into the waterline. You do the same with that one. We just mark that brick line there to the waterline, and we just copy that process all the way up. Just make sure you leave your extra 25mm there, which is going to get turned into the brickwork. Okay, so that's all the step and cover flashing installed. Still need to sweep all this off on that side. That's that side in as well. Still need to sweep this off, which I'm going to do that in a minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the ridge saddles off for a minute, because all this lead now needs to be turned up, ready for the glass to be fitted. So what I'm going to do is just sweep these bits of lead off, give it an oil, and that'll be it for this today. And we'll come back once the glass has been fitted.